Arizona, a realm sculpted by time, offers breathtaking desert landscapes and peculiar rock formations, whispering tales of epochs past. Here, nature's raw beauty commands attention, inviting us to witness its majesty and contemplate our place within this grand tapestry. Today, join me on an extraordinary journey through this sun-drenched land, seeking its most precious jewels. Prepare to be captivated. From sunrise to sunset, every moment in Arizona is a spectacle. Our exploration begins at the monumental Grand Canyon, a library of Earth's history. The Colorado River has sculpted this chasm, revealing nearly 2 billion years of planetary evolution. Its immense size and shifting colors create a symphony of light and shadow, evoking humility and wonder. Mather Point offers a breathtaking vista where sunrise and sunset transform the canyon into a spiritual experience. Witnessing this spectacle connects us with something primal and timeless. As night falls, the Grand Canyon reveals a celestial display, adding to its timeless allure. Beneath Arizona's desert lies Antelope Canyon, a narrow slot canyon sculpted by flash floods. Inside, swirling forms and filtered light create a dreamlike atmosphere. Sunbeams penetrate the canyon, illuminating its vibrant colors and creating a photographer's paradise. Walking through these passageways connects us with nature's artistry, an unforgettable experience. Antelope Canyon speaks of water and time, a mystical encounter with nature's elegance. As the sun sets, shadows dance on the canyon walls, adding to its enigma. Near Page, Arizona, Horseshoe Bend showcases the Colorado River's dramatic meander. The river carves a breathtaking turn around a sandstone escarpment, a testament to water's power. The contrast between the river's blue-green and the rock's warm tones creates striking beauty. Sunset bathes the cliffs in ethereal light, a reminder of nature's pure beauty. Under the night sky, the stars twinkle above the bend, adding a serene touch to this natural wonder. Sedona's red rock formations, colossal buttes, and canyons dominate the skyline. These geological marvels glow with intensity, attracting hikers and photographers worldwide. Sedona's mystical allure includes powerful energy vortexes, offering peace and power. A visit to Sedona is a multifaceted, enriching experience. From sunrise to sunset, Sedona's beauty captivates. Monument Valley, sacred land of the Navajo Nation, features colossal sandstone buttes. These iconic formations, immortalized in films, evoke the rugged spirit of the frontier. The vast spaces and deep silence create an atmosphere of solitude and awe. Experiencing Monument Valley with a Navajo guide offers profound cultural insights. As the sun sets, the valley transforms into a canvas of golden hues, leaving visitors in awe. Lake Powell, an azure jewel amidst sandstone canyons, offers aquatic recreation. Exploring by watercraft reveals hidden arches and ancient petroglyphs. Rainbow Bridge National Monument, a colossal natural arch, stands as a testament to water's power. Reaching it is a pilgrimage, witnessing a magnificent geological formation. As the sun sets, Lake Powell transforms into a serene, reflective paradise. Saguaro National Park, near Tucson, protects the majestic saguaro cactus. These towering cacti, symbols of the Southwest, embody resilience in an arid environment. The park's districts offer unique perspectives on the saguaro habitat. Sunset transforms the saguaros into striking silhouettes against a vibrant sky. In spring, the saguaros bloom, adding a touch of color to the desert landscape. Havasu Falls, a hidden paradise in the Grand Canyon, offers a challenging yet rewarding journey. The turquoise water cascades over a rust-red cliff into azure pools. The falls, part of a fragile ecosystem, are sacred to the Havasupai people. Witnessing Havasu Falls is an unforgettable adventure in the Southwest. From sunrise to sunset, the beauty of Havasu Falls captivates all who visit. Petrified Forest National Park showcases fossilized trees from the late Triassic period. These ancient conifers, transformed into stone, offer a link to a prehistoric world. The park's colorful badlands create an ethereal scene of light and shadow. It is a place where ancient forests meet desert artistry, scientifically fascinating and beautiful. Explore the vast landscape where history and natural beauty converge. Our journey through Arizona's wonders leaves us with profound appreciation. From the Grand Canyon to Havasu Falls, Arizona ignites the spirit of adventure. Its diverse landscapes offer endless opportunities for discovery and wonder. I encourage you to explore these wonders and create unforgettable memories in this land of natural majesty. Arizona awaits your adventure. Come and discover its beauty. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.